So this morning Dave decided to start the engines. We've had no problems whatsoever. This morning, what's happening, Dave?
We're not getting any raw water coming out of the exhaust, so we're not getting any cooling.
On the starboard side.
So
Got that right this time.
got to have a look. So I've just turned the seacock off. The seacock's fine. So I'm going to first of all check the impeller.
Have you found anything at the front?
Well, I found on the impeller that one of the lobes is fractured, is broken.
Right, so after much toing and froing,
that's what's left of an impeller.
Hi guys. Well, we've just had one of those life's mysteries. You know, like when you tidy all your cables up and then you go back to them and they've all bloody tangled up again. The starboard engine fired her up and it got no raw water. Now, last time I fired it up, it was running fine and pumping fine. This time fired it up, no raw water coming out. The impeller had failed. Not only had the impeller failed, but we got an airlock. Now the airlock isn't surprising, but impeller failure, a little bit surprising. Anyway, we'll go through changing it now.
We'd just like to say a big welcome to Trevor Lofthouse, joined our Patreon team. Thank you, Trevor. Welcome aboard.
Okay, so like anything on the port engine, all the settee has to come up. The raw water pump on the port engine is right down at this side here. So, the tools you need are fairly simple.
An 8mm spanner to take the front cover off, and then it's a matter of if you can get a pulley in, but I can't get a puller in because
I have a water tank here. So, it's a case of using a screwdriver to pull the old impeller out. So, excuse me while I climb in a bit. Access is always a problem. I should always take care, I'm doing these not to lose any. Ease them off gradually. I like to try to get them to finger tighten and get both hands in. Now these top two have a bracket attached. Let's do the bottom two for the water pipes as they go into the housing. Pull them back rather than coming out. So work up the bottom bracket now. Being careful to always keep hold of items until you're ready to pull them out. You have got two smaller threaded bolts, which are the ones without the brackets. There we go. So that's the first plate off. This one looks intact, but we will change it. It's in good condition, does that. So the next difficult bit is, and again because I haven't got room, is getting this to come free. once they get going, they do slide out like that is beautifully. Bear in mind, this is the port side one, the starboard side one is the one that had broken up, and that was a pig to get out as well. Not because it had broken up, it's just that it was stuck in. There we are. That's this one out, and it is in good condition, is that. Still nice and pliable, which is how it should be. So that can go now as an emergency spare. I have a new one here. Need to lubricate this impeller now. This has come with its lube, its own lube. Now I took note of which way the vanes were compressed as well, so they're compressed up. It's a case of feeling this thing in. Put the plug back on the front, that just protects the front of the shaft. And then with the rest of your lubricant, make sure you fully lubricate the front plate. And fit a new gasket. There we go, that's that one in. Don't over tighten it at this stage, and do not over tighten it at any stage. Top one's gone on much easier because you can see it. I'm not putting any pressure on that spanner, I'm just winding it so that I could feel the thread start. It was just, they're just tight in these brackets. And there we go. So now we can just go around and tighten everything down. There we are, that's that back on. So fire the engine up and make sure we're now getting raw water through again. If we don't, because we don't have a bleed here, I might just have to backfill the heat exchanger. I've done that before. But usually the side starts up straight away. There we go.